Saludo a tutti, hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I get more and more excited each time I film a new video because it means I get to unbox fabulous items. And today is no exception. You know how the saying goes, there's always a third time. Well, in that case, there's a fourth time. I mean, one, or actually, should I say, that was my first purchase. The second one, the third one. By the time I'm filming this video, the review of these sneakers, I still have to edit, but that's another story. So again, I'm really thrilled to film this unboxing today. I received the fourth Rosso Ancora item of my collection. So I guess you could say that Rosso Ancora, red yet again, is a very fitting name. I received the package this very morning, just filmed. And today's video is really special as I'm filming the unboxing of my most expensive pair of shoes to date. I'm going to put the price on the screen. I'm afraid to say it out loud. Okay, let's open the package. And let me preface this by saying that I ended up ordering these boots because, yeah, they're boots. Hence the very hefty price tag. After an amazing series of coincidences, again, I haven't edited my review of the Gucci GG lace-up olive green ankle boots. But yeah, let's say that I ordered them on Gucci, missed a 50 euro voucher on my Theresa because my normal size was sold out, but my Theresa was advising to size down half a size, which I didn't. And of course, they were too big. But I guess I'm gonna have to film an addition to the video, but more about that in the original unboxing video. Okay, I can't wait. I can't wait to open the package. Look at this. I mean, expensive, but you know. For a reason, wow, look at this. Oh my. I hope they fit because it's love at first sight. So let me introduce the Gucci Slim Horsebit knee-high Burgundy boots. Wow, look at these beauties. I mean, they look so expensive. They are, but they do look expensive. So this is actually both a very thought out purchase and an impulse buy at the same time. I've been eyeing these beauties ever since I saw Gucci pre-fall collection last year, back in December 2024. I even called the customer service, asking them when the boots were going to be released. I actually had my heart set on the olive green version. But as you may know, I ordered the GG boots in olive green, ended up quite disappointed with the shade, although I'm having second thoughts right now. But anyway, I thought that Burgundy and Rosso Ancora would be a better addition to my collection. So here they are, of course, as always, and before I try them, you know how big I am on sizing info. On my Theresa, they advised to take your normal size, which I did this time. So I took a 40 and they look, well, they don't look huge, you know? So yeah, I hope they will fit. I have everything prepared over here. Like, I need to try them on a carpeted surface or a blanket for that matter. What pairing did I have in mind when I ordered the boots? Of course, this bag, the shade being exactly the same. Yeah, gorgeous pairing. I got alarmed when I checked the details of the boots because, and I need my glasses, I read silver toned hardware. Silver what? But actually no, it's exactly the same hardware as the bag, namely, and here are the specs: Gucci Rosso Ancora leather, silver toned hardware, slim horsebit detail. Slim it is. You have a pull tab because you don't have a zip closure. And yeah, it's a leather sole made in Italy. What else? 8.5 centimeter block heel is quite high for me, but it doesn't look that high. Now I'm holding the boot in my hand. We'll see, because I love walking and I love to walk fast, even when I'm at work, and it means that depending on how comfortable they actually are, I may have to wear these on special occasions, but we'll see, because as you can see, it's no stiletto heel. So 3 inches, again, we'll see. As I said, this is both an impulse buy and a very thought out purchase. Why impulse buy? Because I spotted these after waiting for them for literally months, almost a year at that point. And when I saw them on my Theresa, and when I saw that the sizes were selling out right under my eyes, I took the plunge and ordered them. I knew I had to. I knew I couldn't take the risk of these selling out, and this is when I got to use my 50 euro voucher at my Theresa, and plus I got a nice cashback too. So I guess I had to wait for these. But the story doesn't end here as far as vouchers are concerned, because with this purchase I got a 100 euro voucher, and I may use it sooner than later. Okay, I need to try these because they will, I mean, it's funny today because I'm wearing a lot of very expensive things, but this dress is one of my cheapest dresses. But I don't know if it's 10 euros, and I bought it some time ago too. Okay, let's try these. I cannot wait. As you can see, I'm wearing my Rosso Ancora Burgundy sandals, and I hope you can see the moment of truth. Will they fit? No, there's some more paper inside. Oh yes, they do fit. Oh, they're perfect. Oh, they're perfect. Wow. Well, I guess I'm in trouble because there's no way I'm returning these. Let's try the other one. Oh, wow. They're... Well, I may have to try them with socks. I mean, for once, they feel perfect. Not too big, not too small. I mean, I don't want them to crease on the instep. I mean, I have no socks, but they feel very comfortable. And the heel feels manageable as well. I don't think I'll get blisters. I'm gonna be able to wear them all the time, actually. No, specific occasion. Wow, the pairing is amazing. I'm in love. I'm in love. I'm sold. What can I say? I'm sold, literally. I don't have a pair of knee-high boots such as these, let alone in burgundy, one of my favorite shades. They will be the perfect match to the bag again. And there's no way I'm returning them because for once the sizing info was reliable. Take your normal size. They fit perfectly. And actually I was getting kind of annoyed with designer shoes lately because my normal size is really a 40, and I felt like, you know, sometimes they advise you to take a 39.5, sometimes a 39. It was all over the place. So yeah, for once, as it should be all the time, your normal size is your normal size. And yeah, they're really comfortable. Unlike the Gigi boots, this part here doesn't hurt. Everything feels very soft inside. And again, I didn't try them with a pair of socks. And yeah, they're a nice addition to my wardrobe too, because I don't own a pair of 70s boots like these. Yeah, they're just perfect. They're just perfect. I'm going to put them safely inside their huge box and store them for a little while, I guess, because today we're September the 17th and it's scorching hot, like 28 degrees. So I guess I have to wait a little before I actually wear these, but I can't wait. They're perfect in every way. Again, they're my most expensive pair of boots. I know I say that all the time, but I really feel I'm going to wear them a lot. Fingers crossed, because the cost per wear, I mean, I'm gonna have to wear them a lot if I want it to go down. I think I'm gonna wear them a lot, which to me make them worth the splurge. Call me obsessed. Red is a color of love and passion after all, so I guess that I was meant to rock these boots. And despite the 3-inch heel, these were definitely made for walking. So here you have it, my latest addition, my latest amazing addition. I may order another pair of boots right after I wrap up this video. You're gonna find out if you watch my channel, I guess. So that was fun, and that felt so good. They fit perfectly. Yeah, worth the splurge. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next one. Vi prego una buona giornata, baci e scialada, vila.